I thought you actually meant to get some corn. Shadow. I thought I see shadow. Blocked.
Blocked?
Yeah. I keep going blocked.
Come on, Zoe, hurry up.
Hurry up. You gotta go.
Okay, come on. Keep going.
A shadow.
Nice, Bri. Do not make the sign sounds. You are not Mel Gibson. Blocked?
That was blocked.
Come on, Zoe. Shadow. Come on.
Hayden?
Yeah?
Stay here.
Blocked. Okay. Oh, blocked. Right there is blocked. Uh-oh, is that blocked?
Two of us go that way, two of us go that way.
No, we are not separating.
We go that way.
That way. Oh no, Zoe. Hayden.
Oh no!
Like a shadow. Guys.
Zoe, Hayden, wait up. Hayden? Stop.
He stopped. I think we're going in a circle. Blocked?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Did she just take some out?
Hayden, stop.
Don't get too far ahead. We're old. We can't run as fast.
That was blocked. Blocked. We're going blocked ways.
What? I don't think that's blocked, is it?
Hayden, stop. Come on.
Okay, going back.
Hayden, stop.
Hang in. I find it. Mama. I find it.
Hayden, when I say stop, that means now.
Yeah.
I have a feeling he's so far ahead he can't hear us. Oh, there he is. Don't give away hints that will ruin it.
Yeah.
Okay, so go that way. We didn't go that way.
Blocked.
Oh, blocked. So what did we do wrong?
Go round way.
Go this way? We've already been through this way.
Blocked. Yeah.
Of course, they think it's hilarious. Every time we're lost. It's so funny we're lost.
Follow Hayden.
Follow Hayden.
Zozo. Zozo, come on, follow Hayden.
Yuck.
Hayden, stop.
Let's hang in.
He's right around the corner. Keep going.
We are never getting out of this maze. It's a good thing we have cell phones. Help! Bring me food!
I need to use the restroom.
And water to get rid of the aliens.
I've got water.
Oh, you got water? You're prepared.
Hayden, stop.
Blocked?
You both ways are blocked.
Blocked. The evil maniacal laugh.
Hayden. 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 You need to stop.
Did we win? Are we free?
I think so.
The aliens didn't even attack us. They didn't force us to make crop circles or anything. Okay. Did you survive?
Yeah, we survived and we made it through and I found some corn.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna eat some.
Don't eat it.
I'm just kidding.
Zozo.
Hayden.
Say, I survived.
Hayden.
Zo.
Come on.
Zo. Say, I survived.
I survived. A corn.
Corn. I survived the corn.
I threw the corn.
The children of the corn
Threw all the-
survived.